name is Rochester, and before this video starts, I want to tell you guys thank you so much for your support, for your patience with me and your understanding. And jumping right into the video, this hair I'm wearing is by Wondess hair. This is their Peruvian kinky curly 26 inches of luscious goodness. I mean love. Now this is not the hair in its full glory, honey, and I haven't even combed it, you know what I mean, because you know when you kind of fluff it up and you know, like this hair, it looks small in camera, well to me it does, but this is like big in real life. This hair is ginormous. It moves so nice and smoothly. You can tell it's good quality hair. I love this. I love this. My first time working with Wondess hair, and I must say, kudos to you, babos. Yes, honey, word. Y'all doing the damn thing. Shoot. Let me see some more. Come on. Email me. Let me know what's going on. Yes. So this is a Peruvian kinky curly. This video is a get ready with me video, and you see more of this beautiful hair at the end of the video. And of course, everything for Wondess in the description bar below. Also, I have exciting news. I'm now a proud member and affiliate of the X Bands community. The X Bands is a fitness accessory products type company. They have these for deadlifting, for squatting, for hip thrusting, and they also have resistance bands. And so you guys have seen me, if you see me on Instagram, you've seen me do my workouts and stuff on my Instagram stories, and you've seen me use their resistance bands. I'm now vlogging every single day on my Lyric Uncut channel. I've been using them almost every single day, and I have a coupon code. It's a Lyric X10 that gives you 10% off, and I also have a special link which they use to track how much clicks I get. So I'll leave that link in the description bar for you guys, and thank you so much for your support. Again, Wondess hair, Peruvian kinky curly, and yes, honey. Come on, y'all can't tell me I'm feeling this shit, honey. I'm feeling the hell out of my hair, honey. Guys, word. Okay, that's it for the intro. I love y'all. Watch the video. It's good.
God bless the boy DJ. I mean, I say it's all about long suffering. No? You know what? Have faith and wait. Hear me know? What me say Christmas come but only once a year, but DJ I wait on the 25th. And you want? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night, and the boss go fire me, that can't be right. The landlord want for rent by tonight. Me want food for bite, and me not even have money, can't afford for bite. God knows me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, no in the house. Baby a ball, and me can't tell the separation. I work and say me a go try it, but me a feel the ex them a put up a fight. Bad minded just forget a up a hype. Ya know sometimes me feel like we just go soft, we broke a fight. I know say me just a hold on, even though me they have from all long. Me know say you dead the Lord and you don't gone, so me nah get vexed and I stand up a fall on. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Life hard and it no soft, but the Lord of mine rather than me staff. Weeping me know for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me a go laugh. And you are Lord, even though Lord you know I wanna bus. No me nah go feel shame to drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually me a go wait, cause me a go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good, me nose have to run. And me really not go make my mother go. So me just a wait. Me want to look on every gate, and even the M.I.M. garments I wanna tote. So me nah worry, no in a no hurry. Me nah go like calm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet my demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a disease. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like me stuck in a traffic or me lay behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you say.
Alright everyone, so this is the finished look, and this wig I'm wearing is by Wondess Hair on Instagram. This is their Peruvian kinky curly, extremely soft and light. It doesn't have the weight that a Brazilian kinky curly would have. It's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter. I love it. Beautiful. So I'm wearing 4 bundles and a closure. The not frontal closure. The longest length, I would tip, but my calves are killing me. The longest length is 26. So having 226, 124, and a 20-inch closure. Made the wig myself. It's a center part, not closure, sorry, frontal. Make the, oh, this is cute. Like this going back moment. Okay, what is this? Alright, that needs to be concealed. Don't nobody want to see it, honey. But yes, so again, this is from Wondess Hair. They're Peruvian. This is a black eyeliner pencil. The Peruvian kinky curly, and yo, yeah, I'm liking it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've been wearing it for some days now. It's really nice. Really nice. But yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one, and thank you again for your understanding. Bye, guys.